Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games on Oppo A78 5G, but you can't seem to find them in the Google Play Store. And to do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store, then click and find the game, like Call of Duty. Right here we have it, but if we click on it, nothing happens. Now go back, click on your profile picture, open a settings, locate family, enter parental controls. Right here you can disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code. Right here we'll be able to set PG to 16 or even 18 and click on save. Now if you go back and look for the game again, it should be available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.